This channel earns $333,000 per month, has received 80 million views in the last 30 days, and is earning thousands of dollars from each video. This channel uploads only interesting brain-cracking videos without showing your face, just copy and paste. Some videos on this channel reached millions of views, like 91 million, 57 million views, etc. Check out this other channel, Fit Media, which made $6,000 per month just from copy and paste work, and got 1.50 million views in last 30 days. This channel only uploads 2 videos per month and earns thousands of dollars every single month just by copying the article from Google, secretly making it unique, and turning it into a video. This channel uses only AI voiceover on its videos and earns a lot of money. AI voiceover also monetized on YouTube. I am also using AI voices on my videos. If I play this video, you can check it.
And the big exercises like presses and raises are going to help you get them.
Welcome to another video, guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to make videos like these channels by copy and paste method and earn at least $10,000 per month without getting a copyright claim and without any investment. Many people will say that this method is fake because these people leave after only 5 to 6 days of work. If you want to be successful, do everything for at least 3 months. You can do all these steps from your smartphone as well, so do not skip any part if you want to be successful in online business. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money making videos on time. For creating videos like those channels, go to this website. InVideo is the best online video editor that helps you to make pro quality videos. Link in the description. Go and sign up onto this website. If we talk about its pricing, it is available in the free version as well. If you are a beginner, then you can start with the free plan, but if you buy its premium plan, then it has more features available that you can use in your videos to make it more professional. It totally depends on you. For creating an account on this website, click on this sign up button. You can also create an account on this website with your Google account and manually. After creating an account on this website, go to the dashboard page. Now we need an article to convert into a video. For this, go to google.com and search the article in your niche. For example, if your niche is related to cars, you can search top 10 most expensive cars, but if your niche is related to fitness, then you can search this query, top leg exercises. Try to create videos on the long tail keywords so that you can rank easily on YouTube. For example, this keyword is better, top leg exercises for bad knees. Then press the enter key. You can see there are a lot of articles available on this topic. Open 3 to 5 blogs in a new tab, but I open only one article to explain to you. Find the more informative and short article, and read the full blog in your niche. If this informative, visit this website again, and click on this text to video tool to convert this article into a video. I will also explain how to avoid getting a copyright claim, so do not skip this part. You can see there are a lot of amazing pre-made templates available that we can use to create engaging videos and earn money. For example, I choose this fitness promo template. This video template is basically for health and fitness videos. Select this landscape ratio and click on this use template button. Now put article script in this section, but there is also a shortcut trick. Just enter the website URL. For this, go to your article, copy this URL, paste it here, tick this auto suggest images and video and free button, and click on create scenes button. Now this tool will automatically fetch the article. After this, click on this auto summarizes button to summarize this article. This website has got all the important sentences that it needs, but if you want to add more lines, then just click on the sentence and it will be automatically add in your video scenes. After that, many people do this mistake and make direct videos, which can get you copyrighted because it is someone else's article. To avoid this, go to google.com and search for Quillbot. Open the paraphrasing tool in a new tab. After opening the tool, go back to the website and copy the first scene from the scene section. Go to this tool again, paste it here, and then click the rephrase button. In a few minutes, this tool automatically makes this sentence unique. Now you can copy this sentence from the clipboard and paste it here. Now, copy the second scene from the scene section, go to this Quillbot tool, paste it here and click on this button. After this, copy this unique sentence from this and go to the InVideo website and paste it here. Do this same step for all other sentences to make this script 100% unique to avoid copyright claim. Now click on this create storyboard button. Within minutes, This tool will now automatically create videos by automatically adding videos and music according to the video script. Now this project is about to open. We made a mistake in that we didn't put the heading in the first scene. If you also make this mistake, then duplicate the first scene. Click on the first scene to edit the text. For example, we add top leg exercises for bad knees. You can see that the video is not making any sense. Put the video which makes some sense. For this, go to the video section and search for videos related to your video topic. For example, we search leg exercises. You can see here that most of the videos are premium. You can visit pxels.com and Mixkit to get free and better quality videos for free. For example, if the topic of our video is leg exercises, then I search leg exercise videos on pxels.com, then press the enter key. Go to the videos section, then this website will provide you with a bunch of videos on leg exercises. You can download all these videos free of cost and without getting any copyright claim. For download any of the videos, click on this download button, and in a few seconds this video will automatically download and save in your device. After downloading the videos from Pexels and Mixkit, go to this tool again, go to the upload section, click on this upload media button, and select and drag all of your videos here. After uploading is finished, drag and drop this video here, adjust your video and click on this add button. You can see, this video makes some sense. You can also change scene duration according to your requirements. Now do the same step for all other scenes if needed. After completing the editing, to download this video click on this button, select 720p video quality and click on this export button. Finally, our video has been exported in a few minutes. You can check the quality of this video and how wonderful the video has been made by this tool in a few minutes if I play this video. Now there is only one thing missing in this video, and that is voice. To generate a voice for free, go to this tool, micmonster.com. The link is given in the description of this video. You can also go through this link. You can create a voiceover of up to 300 characters at a time. Enter 300 characters in this tool again to create more voiceovers. For this, go to InVideo, copy the lines of the first scene, go to AI voiceover tool and paste it here. Again, go to this website, copy the second scene lines, and paste it here on MicMonster tool. When the limit of 300 characters per turn is reached, so select voice over language and artist. My favorite voiceover artist is Floki because his voice is very real and doesn't sound robotic. Then click on generate the voiceover button. If I play this voiceover, see how real this voice is.
Top leg exercises for bad knees. The capacity to move easily is a wonderful gift, yet it is frequently overlooked.
To download this voiceover, click on this button. Your voiceover will be downloaded automatically. After downloading all the voiceover files and video from InVideo, it's time to edit the video to make it more attractive by adding voiceover to the video. I use Filmora editing software, and you can also use CapCut online video editing software. This software also provides all those features that are available in Filmora. Now select the aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen and click on this to create a new project. Open the folder where all the files are located, select them all, and drag and drop them into your editing software. Drag this video file into the timeline and mute this video music, because if you use this music in your videos you may get copyrighted. You can get the music from NCS YouTube channel because they are all copyright-free music. Now, drag the voiceover files one by one into the timeline and adjust them according to the video captions. I skipped this video editing part. Check this amazing video after editing.
Top leg exercises for bad knees. The capacity to move easily is a wonderful gift, yet it is frequently overlooked until it is lost. Many of the minor aches and pains that can develop over time can be prevented by taking the time to strengthen the muscles around the knee.
The final and most important step is YouTube SEO to rank videos #1 on YouTube. First of all, create a new YouTube channel, and then go to this website, link in this description, and sign up with the Google account on which you created the new YouTube channel and connect your channel with this tool. This is a very good YouTube SEO tool that I use myself for the SEO of my videos. After sign up, download this tool extension. Now go to your YouTube channel and click on this upload videos button. Click on this select button to upload your video to YouTube. Find low competition and high search volume keywords with vidIQ extension to rank quickly on YouTube. For example, I write this title, Top Leg Exercises for Bad Knees Workout Tips for Healthy Life. Suppose in this title, Workout Tips is our low competition and targeted keyword. Now put the same targeted keyword and keywords related to your video in the description. Be careful not to fill the description only with keywords. The purpose of the video should also be explained in the description and keywords should be stuffed in the description. The length of the description should be at least 200 characters. The next important thing is thumbnail. You can download and edit YouTube thumbnail from canva.com. Canva is a free online graphics tool, and you can use this tool free of cost. Now again, go to this uploading page, create a new playlist related to your video category. For example, I have already created a playlist related to leg workout. Select it and click the Done button. Now scroll down and select No, it's not made for kids. Again, scroll down a bit, and now it's time to add video tags that are very important. For example, I'm going to add leg workout. You can also find low competition keywords with the help of vidIQ extension. For example, let's look at leg workout. You can see that it has a lot of competition, so we won't add it in our title, tags, and description. Just put the tags that have low and medium competition. You can only add keywords of up to 500 characters in your videos after adding keywords in the video. Scroll down and select the video language to English and recording date. For example, I select January 4th, 2023. Now scroll down a little bit and select your video category so viewers can find it more easily. For example, I select default category, people and blogs. Untick this box if your YouTube channel is new. After adding all the video details, click on the next button. You can add captions only when the processing is finished. Adding captions is important because it gives the video more reach. Add an end screen to promote related content at the end of your video, then click on this next button. You can see we didn't get any copyright issues from YouTube, which means you can run ads on this video and earn money. Go to the next step. Now select the visibility of the video, public, if you want to get views. If you want to make your video public after a certain period of time, then put it on the schedule. Friends, the only way to grow on YouTube is patience and consistency. At least work on this method for 3 months. You will also get money when the target of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time is completed on your channel. You can easily make at least $10,000 from this method. I hope friends you love this video. Please complete the 500 likes target. Also smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more money making videos on time.